So you just downloaded the latest Ecamm beta. Welcome. We're so glad that you're here. I bet that you're really excited about us showing you and giving you the option to start using our dual mode. So I'm going to get you some tips and tricks to get you started playing with that. Before I do, I want to showcase another release that I'm personally really excited about. So right now I'm just showing you my main screen, overlays, and scenes. So if you look at your scenes panel, you'll notice that right now you can see things as they like normally used to be. But if you click over here, you can view this in a totally different way, which, like I said, I'm really excited about because as someone who thinks of scenes as being like a storyboard and like a timeline, this visual to me works really great. I can kind of preview what my scenes look like. You can make this as big or small as you want. If you have another monitor, throw it on another monitor, and it just makes it so much easier to click through your scenes. All right, so that's the first thing I wanted to showcase, but now we're gonna get right into dual mode, which you can use for streaming or recording. So what you wanna do is go up here, options, video shape, and you're going to select dual mode. You're going to immediately get a notification asking you if you want to duplicate, there we go, duplicate your profile first. This, I highly recommend doing this. It does not hurt to duplicate and export backups of your profiles. I've already done this, so I'm just going to hit continue. So here I am in a simple camera scene. If I put on my camera effects, you can zoom in, you can reposition this as you want, but immediately you're getting both a horizontal and a vertical feed. Now, let me show you how to set up multi-streaming with these different sizes. It's honestly the same kind of procedure that you would be doing for anytime you're setting up a new stream. Make sure that your destinations are all connected. I'm going to tick off stream and record. Let's just go with a new one. All right. I click add. I select my destination and look at how this just so easily pops right up. So if you have different channels that are all connected, maybe you want to have them stream to both horizontal and vertical, or maybe you want to do for this platform, I want to stream vertically. For this one, I want to do horizontally. So make your selections there. You can add in as many destinations as your internet can handle. You guys know what to do. This is nothing new. Also, if you wanted to, the same way that you can see your upcoming settings, you can go in here and see visually, you can see, okay, this is set to be a horizontal stream. And if you wanted to make any changes, you could go ahead and do that. So when you stream or when you hit record, you're then going to have multiple files. If you have isolated video files, then you would have those files come in. But then you'll also have, at the end, you'll have the production from your horizontal space and your vertical space available in the folders wherever you set your folders to record to. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. In the next video, I'm going to show you how I set up some different scenes, but really we know that how you design things all depends on what you're trying to accomplish. So the best thing to do, just like pretending you downloaded Ecamm for the first time yesterday, play around, get inspiration from other people's streams and productions, and then play around with it until you figure out how to make it look exactly how you want. All right? Let us know if you have any questions. We're here in the community. And remember, this is beta. This is beta. So we want you to push all the buttons. We want you to set this up the way that you want and give us any feedback if you think something's not working as expected. All right. Have a great day, guys. I'll see you in the community.